According to the PMBOK, operations management is the process of planning, organizing, and controlling the resources and processes that are required to produce goods and services. Operations management involves the use of techniques and tools to ensure that the organization's operations are efficient and effective and that they align with the organization's strategic goals and objectives. The PMBOK recommends a structured approach to operations management, which includes going through the following steps of defining the operation strategy. This involves aligning the organization's operations with its overall business strategy and defining the key goals and objectives for the operations. Second is designing the operations process, which involves defining the specific processes and activities that are required to produce goods and services and designing the systems and infrastructure that will support these processes. The third is plan and controlling the operations. This involves developing plans and procedures for managing the operations and using tools and techniques to monitor and control performance of the operations. The fourth is improve the operations. This involves identifying and addressing opportunities for improving the efficiency and effectiveness of the operations and implementing changes as needed to achieve continuous improvement. Overall operations management is an important aspect of project management, and it is critical for ensuring that the organization's operations are aligned with the strategic goals and objectives. Changes in business or organizational operations may be the focus of a project, especially when there are substantial changes to business operations as a result of a new product or service delivery. Ongoing operations are outside the scope of the project. However, there are intersecting points where two areas cross. Projects can intersect with operations at various points during the product life cycle, such as when developing a new product, upgrading a product, or expanding outputs. While improving the operations of a product development process at the end of the product life cycle and at each project closeout phase. At each point, deliverables and knowledge are transferred between the project and operations for implementation of delivered work. This implementation occurs through a transfer of project resources or knowledge to operations or through a transfer of operational resources to the project. See you on the next lecture.